How to play the prototype for my chemistry survival co-op game Lost Carbon. You are stranded on an asteroid made of carbon. You need to find enough fuel to escape. First, find the tile with the dinosaur sticker on the back. That is the landing site. That is where the escape shuttle is located and where you start the game. Shuffle the remaining tiles. I made them out of construction paper, which makes them kind of hard to shuffle, but if you just deal them into stacks, it can kind of simulate shuffling. So then you're going to use your shuffled tiles to build the asteroid. Connect 2 and only 2 tiles to the landing site. You can build the asteroid into any shape that you want, but the rounder the asteroid is, the easier the game will be, and the thinner it is, the harder it'll be. Lost Carbon is a cooperative game for 1 to 4 players. It's easier the more people you play with. Select your player sheets. Each character has a different exosuit. Read about each character's different powers on their sheet. Put a token on your character's maximum energy and O2 level. If these ever drop to 0, your character dies and you lose the game. Put your game pieces on the landing site. The last player to ignite something goes first. The objective of the game is to return to the landing site with 2 different fuels: liquid propane, which can be found and refined within the asteroid, and 2H2, which can be synthesized from one of 3 ice tiles. Just get 3 actions per turn. You can look at your player sheet to see what you can do. Moving is the most common action. It costs 1 energy to move your game piece 1 tile. When you move to an adjacent tile, flip it over if it hasn't already been flipped over. Consult the tile guide for what resources are available on that specific tile. After 3 actions, your turn is over. Drain the right amount of O2 from your player sheet, unless you're on the O2 or Oasis tile. If your player is running out of energy, mine on a carbon tile. First, roll the die, and if you don't roll a 1, your mining attempt is successful. Your character's O2 levels go down by 1, but your energy levels go up by 4. Add an ice layer to this tile. Now all actions on that tile cost 1 extra energy to melt this desublimated layer of ice. To escape and win the game, you'll need 2 types of fuel, 2H2 and C3H8. Your fuel chart to learn more about what it takes to make 2H2. To make 1 unit of H2, you'll need to be on an H2O tile, and you'll need to spend 4 energy to make 1 unit of H2. And you're going to need 2 of them to win the game. You'll also need to find the C3H8 tile. After collecting the fuel, you bring it to the lab where you can use 1 action and 1 energy to refine it. The lab also provides each exosuit with a different Consult your player sheet to learn more about that upgrade. After you've refined the fuel and generated 2 H2, all players head to the landing site. Players need to burn 6 O2 units in any combination between the players, without any of those O2 levels dropping to 0 in order to oxidize the fuel and escape the asteroid and win.